Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to earn reward by referring friends to a host in Airbnb. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to your Airbnb app and then go to the profile section and then scroll down until you find something called refer a host under referrals and credits section. So how it works is that you need to create a referral link and then send it to the people you want to refer. So when they make a booking of a places, they will use your link to make the booking. That way you will be able to receive a compensation. So click on get started. So there are two options that you can see here. You can either refer a home or you can refer an experience. So usually when you refer a people to book at a home, you will earn around 100 to 900 depending on the prices of the booking. But for an experience, then you will be typically only earn around $100. And so you need to click on create referral link. And once you've done that, you can copy that link and send it to the people you want to refer. And that is how you can earn reward by creating a referral link. So in Airbnb,